The most advanced chessboard in the world. Beautifully crafted in natural wood, with the attention to detail that chess deserves. But what makes it extraordinary is inside. A precise mechanism and sensor array allows it to do things no other chessboard can. Like playing over the board against someone hundreds of miles away, or moving the pieces using only your voice.
Knight G4.
We bring you the infinite possibilities of online chess with the engaging experience of a physical set. To achieve that, we designed a sophisticated sensor array that detects the precise location of every piece, and a fast and silent mechanism capable of moving the pieces smoothly across the board. With a powerful processor, superior connectivity, and an open API, Phantom is also the smartest board ever. It allows you to play against any other human on Earth, remotely. It doesn't matter if they are using a smartphone, a computer, or another Phantom board. Their moves reflect in front of you instantly. You can learn with the Phantom Tutor, your personal trainer. It remembers your every move and gives you precise recommendations on how to improve. Or play against our human-like AI, which continuously adapts to your playing level, making every game more exciting than the one before, bringing out the Grand Master in you. Phantom is also a conversation piece like no other. The pieces move autonomously to become a sculpture that plays back the most famous games in history and allows you to relive those remarkable moments as if you were actually there. Phantom. It's a beautiful sculpture. It's the most advanced chessboard in the world, and it's bringing back all the little details that make chess great.
Human-like understanding packed into a tiny camera unlocks every application. Last time, we promised you that spatial AI, the combination of depth perception and artificial intelligence, is like a cheat mode for solving all sorts of problems. Over 6,500 backers pledged $1.35 million and formed a global community. Since then, over 30,000 Oak devices have been shipped. We took everything we learned from those 30,000 and built this. Introducing the delightfully diminutive Oak D Lite. A complete re-architecture of Oak D that's just as powerful, but smaller, lighter, and at a truly astonishing price point, without losing any of the incredible spatial AI abilities of Oak.
I think it's a huge win for us because we're able to retain the capabilities of Oak D and also gain in terms of form factor and cost, and also in terms of AI capabilities.
To truly bring spatial AI mainstream and put these devices into as many hands as possible, the campaign price for Oak D Lite is just $89. In both price and dimensions, Oak D Lite takes Tiny to a whole new level, making it even more powerful as an edge computing device for AI in situations where every centimeter and ounce matter.
Oak D Lite represents an inflection point in spatial AI technology, where something that was accessible only to research labs just a few years back is now in the hands of developers who need to have just a working knowledge of Python. The hardware is powerful, and the software Python API is smooth.
Without great software, even the most incredible hardware is held back. That's why Oak D Lite's raw power is backed by a first-class software system that installs in under 30 seconds. Even if you're a total beginner at spatial AI, you'll be able to run complex neural networks in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. AI enthusiasts, developers, hardware engineers, Python programmers, we built this for you.
Definitely think there's a lot to be said about the open source capabilities too, where it's not just a black box, where you can kind of tailor it to run what you want on it and do a lot of configuration.
When you back this campaign, you aren't just getting an awesome piece of hardware. You're helping to create a community. Because it's open source, Every Odelight we get into your hands makes the whole ecosystem stronger.
This is how innovation works, getting everyone access to humanity's most powerful tools. And that is what Odelight is all about. Getting you the crazy power of spatial AI in a low-cost, tiny device with an easy-to-use software package. With Odelight in your toolbox, we cannot wait to see what you accomplish.
We hope you'll join the tens of thousands of others in the OpenCV AI Kit community. With Odelight, we've taken spatial AI you can hold in your hand and made it small enough to fit in your pocket and affordable enough for everyone. Together, we're unstoppable, and the best is yet to come.
Meet Author Clock. Let's read some of its quotes together. There was a cautious knock at the door near his head.
Gregor?
Somebody called. It was his mother.
It's 7:15. Didn't you want to go somewhere?
Strand postmark and dispatch 1036, said Holmes, reading it over and over.
Mr. Overton was evidently considerably excited when he sent it over and somewhat incoherent in consequence.
Now for the center of the globe, he added in Danish. I looked at Hans. Forut, was his tranquil answer. Forward, replied my uncle. It was 13 minutes past 1. 'Tis now struck 12. Get thee to bed, Francisco.
Simple, effortless, and accessible are not words typically associated with perfectly painted nails.
This, on the other hand, is something we're all too familiar with.
But what if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's not a hypothetical question.
It's Nimble, the first ever smart device to flawlessly paint and fully dry your nails. Nimble provides salon quality nails from the comfort of your home. With the simple press of a button, Nimble scans the size, shape, and curve of each individual nail, calculating the exact amount of polish needed for your manicure. When it's time to paint, Nimble's ergonomic handle gently supports your hand, while a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat, 4 layers of long-lasting polish. An airflow system is activated between each coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Your nails come out completely dry, so there's no risk of smearing or smudging. Nimble uses healthy, high-quality polishes that both protect and strengthen your nails. All Nimble polishes are non-toxic, 13-free, cruelty-free, and are easily removed with regular polish remover. Whether you're looking for pops of color, classics, or nudes, Nimble has them all. Our ever-evolving collection of vibrant shades is updated seasonally to suit any mood, any look, and any occasion.
Life doesn't have to slow down for beauty, and neither should you.
Join us and help bring Nimble to life.
How do you take something that people love and make it even better? Introducing Urtopia Carbon e-bike, offering an ultimate electric bike riding experience. It combines technology and art design that brings you an incredible riding experience. Urtopia Carbon e-bike is a game changer. You'll explore a new way of commuting with e-bike. Carbon fiber frame, fork, and handlebars, weighing 13 kilograms only. It is one of the lightest full-size e-bikes on the market. We integrate all functions on the handlebars. This screen is really cool. The unique SmartBar patented technology integrates almost all IoT smart functions. This is the most enjoyable and smart riding experience that you will ever have. With our intelligent AI voice recognized technology, you can communicate and control the e-bike by voice. The new customized motor system is more sensitive, more accurate, more durable, and has less battery consumption. This means that a smaller battery lets you travel longer, and it's lighter in weight. Comfort, eco, and sport modes. Instant response within 0.2 seconds allows you to keep the cycling speed on steep slopes more natural and smoother. 250-watt hub motor with built-in clutch. When the e-bike is set to zero electric assistance, Urtopia e-bike will turn to be a beautiful bicycle for riding. Gates carbon belt transmission. Super durable, smooth, and quiet. No maintenance required. Up to 30,000 kilometers. Urtopia e-bike has the highest level of safety features. Integrated front and rear customized design lights. Anti-puncture tires. Making your driving safer all the time. With GPS positioning and smart connection, you can locate your e-bike in the app easily. Urtopia e-bike comes with fingerprint unlocking and GPS anti-theft functions. Removable battery design. It only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge the e-bike. No matter how the times change, we believe bicycles will never be eliminated. New technologies will always be invented. New things will always emerge on the market. We are the people who believe in and pursue a new urban lifestyle. Meet the new Urtopia e-bike.
Meet the XTool M1. It's the world's first desktop dual cutting machine. It's integrated with laser engraving, laser cutting, and blade cutting capabilities, making it suitable for a wide array of creative uses. You can make a meal special, become a jewelry designer, adorn your home, DIY t-shirts for the whole family, immortalize fond memories. Even Spot can join in the fun as you take your parties to the next level. M1 combines two different cutting technologies together, a laser head and a blade head. With blade cutting, M1 avoids the burnt look and discoloration of soft materials. M1 is compatible with more materials than any other desktop machine, from soft materials to 8mm tough stuff. So whether you're cutting or engraving wood, leather, delicate paper, vinyl, or fabric, M1 performs well for any need. More materials processed means more possibilities for creation and exploration. Instead of clunky CO2 lasers that limit portability, M1 uses a revolutionary semiconductor dual beam laser head that compresses the laser facula and provides double the power. Achieving cutting up to 8mm basewood in a single pass. And ultra-high accuracy engraving. With rotary attachment, M1 can also carve on cups. M1 has a built-in 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle high-resolution camera that lets you bring sketches to life just with your pen. With image extraction, you can easily collect all your memories. M1 can automatically recognize the official materials, autofocus and measure the thickness of all materials. AI batch processing empowers you to create multiple works in one shot. And Smart Camera can recognize and automatically cut the pattern. Making ideas come true has never been this easy. XTool M1 brings more joy to your life. Capture your precious moments. Surprise your loved ones. Save money or even make some. Stay safe and smile to the world.
What a beautiful, peaceful weekend. The internet sure has brought many conveniences to our lives, but with it come many hidden and troubling problems. Threats to your basic human rights online. People are in your home watching what you do online.
Who are you? How did you get into our home?
Relax, Dad. I don't mean me. I mean the people in your computer.
Our computer?
Yeah, Mom. Hackers from across the globe can enter your personal devices through malicious links and pop-up ads. That website may leave your personal payment information vulnerable. The first step in stealing your identity. Which is why it is so important to make sure your data is encrypted and can't be read by just anybody. Threats online are changing faster than they ever have before. They're stealing your personal information and eroding your assets. Deeper Connect Pico protects you and your family around the clock 24/7. Simply plug this in and it's good to go.
I'm trying to watch my cooking shows.
With Pico, you'll never have to worry about regional restrictions keeping you from the content you love.
How did you do that?
Deeper Network provides decentralized VPN, or otherwise known as DPN. Its unique multi-routing and smart routing features instantly remove geographic restrictions on any device, allowing you to enjoy global connectivity freely without sacrificing local access speeds. And by enabling our ad blocking feature, you'll never be interrupted again. You're welcome, Mom.
Are we done now? Is there anyone else in the house that we have to worry that's going to pop up?
Not with our DPN. Hey kid, you want to see something fun? And with just one click, you can make sure no restricted content makes its way to your children. From now on, the only cookies you're going to have to worry about are the ones you got hidden in your kitchen cupboard.
We have cookies?
Now this is what the internet should really look like.
Introducing Deeper Connect Pico, the thinnest, lightest, and most powerful home security gateway by Deeper Network.
With Gluetti EP500, the trouble of power outages never bother us. The integrated UPS function of EP500 can automatically power your home appliances in the blink of an eye when the power outage occurs.
6,000 plus cycle time life lithium iron phosphate battery built in, features 5,100 watt-hours capacity.
Makes you feel at ease under any circumstance. Gluetti EP500 also features continuous 2,000 watt output, surge up to 4,800 watt. Run your loads without breaking a sweat. Is that all? No, it's far more than that. We have another EP500. Connect the cable into communication interface first, then the AC output port. Finally, come with a split phase box. The output power will boost to 4,000 watts from 2,000 watts, and the output voltage will change from 120 volts to 240 volts, enabling any electrical appliance, such as this ambient heater, features 3,000 watts at 240 volts. We can view the current working status of EP500 from the app. You can also upgrade the firmware remotely online through OTA function. Fast and convenient. This EP500 can be recharged with high-efficiency solar power. Supports up to 1200 watts with built-in MPPT. Can be fully recharged in only 4.7 hours. It can also be recharged via AC charging at the power of about 600 watts. Get rid of the heavy brick. With only one single cable could cover the charging. Incredible 1800 watt power. Only takes 3.1 hours charging via solar panels and wall outlet at the same time. Turn on EP500. The ARM Plus DSP dual-core system brings extraordinary stability and efficiency. Put your phone on top of it. Voila! Wireless charging. The 100-watt USB Type-C port is compatible with devices such as laptop. Decent ports options bring power for all the appliances in your life. Control your power. Control your life.
Your oven is lying to you. You might set your oven to 350, but inside it's heating and cooling constantly, so it's probably off by 30 to 50 degrees. That's a big problem, since cooking is a function of time and temperature. If one of those is off, the whole formula is wrong. We thought home cooks deserved an easy fix. Introducing the Meson Oven Steel. Made out of A36 steel, it'll keep your oven more accurate, give you better browning, and more evenly cooked food. It turns your $500 oven into a $5,000 one. How does it work? Simple. An oven is designed to turn on and off over and over while you're using it in order to keep it within a range of a selected temperature. This causes fluctuations of up to 50 degrees above and below what you actually want. But thanks to steel's incredibly high thermal mass, it acts like a thermal battery in your oven. It collects and redistributes your oven's heat, reducing those variations to a range of only 5 to 10 degrees. Whether you're roasting on a sheet pan, braising in your Dutch oven, or cooking foods right on the steel, your oven will simply do its job better. You can just leave it there and let it do its magic. There are a few things that make the Meson Oven Steel special. First is its thickness. We tested a lot of options to find the perfect balance of thermal mass and weight. Choosing A36 carbon steel, we made ours 6 millimeters thick. Thicker steel was so heavy it was nearly impossible to move around, and thinner steel didn't have enough thermal mass, and so wasn't as effective at stabilizing the temperature fluctuations of a home oven. 6 millimeters was just right. Second is its size. It's 10 inches by 13.5 inches, making it a little smaller than other steels and stones. This makes it easier to maneuver while still being large enough for a standard quarter sheet roasting pan. What we sacrificed in size, we made up in versatility. 2 steels can be placed side by side in the oven, giving you more total surface area than anything else on the market. And with 2 steels, you can also put them on different racks in your oven for better overall cooking. It's a trick some pro chefs use in restaurants. This puts a thermal mass both above and below your food at the same time, giving it the intense heat it needs for crispier crusts and intense sears. Altogether, the oven steel is for so much more than just bread and pizza. Simply having one in your oven, you'll get better browning, more evenly cooked food, and more predictable cooking times every single time you use your oven. Like all Meson products, we spent hundreds of hours designing and testing to get the small things right. It may seem like a simple piece of steel, but obsessing over the details helped us perfect its features. Our designs and tooling are done, and we're ready to go straight into production. But first, we need your help. Your pledge will help make the Meson Oven Steel available to home cooks everywhere. So from all of us at Meson, thank you, and happy cooking.
Welcome to the frontier of home entertainment. Introducing the Vavacroma, the world's most advanced 4K triple laser projector. The Vavacroma uses cutting-edge triple laser technology and ALPD 4.0 to deliver striking visuals with precise color accuracy and 106% Rec 2020 color gamut. Place the projector just 7.2 inches away from the wall. No obstructions, messy wires, and nothing between you and the big screen. Unlike conventional projectors, the Vavacroma supports HDR10, allowing for deeper colors, higher contrast, and sharper imagery. Enjoy epic visuals in your living space on a dazzling display of up to 150 inches. With 2500 ANSI lumens brightness, witness impeccable detail, even in well-lit rooms. Immerse yourself in the crystal clarity of 4K UHD resolution. With its 25,000 hour lamp life, the Vavacroma gives you years and years of non-stop entertainment. The laser light of the Vavacroma projector is reflected off another surface, significantly reducing eye strain in comparison to direct light from a TV. To match the incredible display, the Vavacroma brings cinema-level surround sound experience through a built-in Harman Kardon soundbar and Dolby-powered audio. That's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The built-in voice control makes your experience even more seamless.
Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Just ask Alexa to search for shows, change the channel, control your smart home devices, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. Build your private theater with the Vavacroma 4K triple laser projector and prepare for a home entertainment experience like no other.
We are Nevia.
Since we started, we've been on a mission to create the best showers in the world. Over the past several years, you've backed our award-winning shower systems on Kickstarter and helped us scale our technology. We've listened to your feedback, and now we've designed a shower head that provides 4 awesome experiences and brings water savings to everyone. Introducing our most versatile and most accessible shower ever, Nebbia by Moen Quatro. Nebbia by Moen Quatro packs 4 innovative sprays into one sleek shower, designed to help you feel clean, relaxed, or ready for the day. Hard spray, precision nozzles ideal for rinsing thick and curly hair and for the feeling of a high-pressure massage. Angel hair, 150 streams of water for a calming and soothing sensation that provides surprisingly high pressure and our warmest spray ever. Soft spray, our signature spa-like feeling for a drenching, misty experience. And finally, Super Saver, for when you want to save the most while staying plenty warm. This soothing mode is great for kids, pets, and sensitive skin. All 4 of these modes save between 40 to 50% of the water used by standard showers.
Quatro comes in 2 versions. The hand shower has a magnetic connection, and the rain shower is fixed.
Hands down, Angel hair, because it takes out all the shampoo out of my curly hair.
That is the first shower head I've loved, right?
It's the soft water. It turns your shower into a steam room, and it feels so good. It gets super hot, and it just feels
it's the most
amazing
incredible spa-like feeling you're gonna get in a
It has
shower.
this angel hair mode with a gentle stream that helps wind them down and calm them for the night.
All done.
We have been building showers for almost a decade. With Quatro, we've applied everything we've learned to create 4 completely new sprays that let you choose the optimal shower experience. Custom designed hard spray nozzles provide a high pressure wake me up shower. 150 silky streams work together to provide the gotta get clean shower. And 10 cone nozzles converge, producing 1 million droplets per second to envelop you in a relaxing shower. We tested hundreds of prototypes in dozens of modes with one goal: give people a better shower using less water. Many regions, including here in California, are experiencing devastating droughts at unprecedented levels. The average family of 4 will save over $300 per year on water and heating costs. Quatro pays for itself in just 4 months.
Taking our mission further, Quatro is the first shower ever to have recycled ocean plastic components, produced from fishing nets that often end up as trash in the ocean. This is just the beginning for us. Our goal is to make all of our products from sustainable materials.
We're excited to introduce 2 new accessories. Our stylish quick dry earth mat, crafted from naturally sourced diatomaceous earth. The ceramic-like material feels great under your feet, magically absorbs water, is mold resistant, and doesn't need to go in the wash. We've also completely redesigned the shower arm for an easy up and down. The Nebbia adjustable shower arm is the perfect add-on for a warm and powerful shower, adjusted to accommodate everyone in your house. It simply holds its position.
Kickstarter, we're here thanks to your support over the years. We're so excited to bring Nebbia by Moen Quatro to you. But before we do, we need your help again. Our design and tooling is ready, and your pledge will help launch Quatro into production. The world needs innovative water-saving solutions now more than ever. Please consider backing this project. Thank you.
Introducing Hackson. This revolutionary and masterful smart fan packs a HEPA-grade carbon filter with a UV light for maximum purification. Clean the area, no questions asked. But how exactly does it work for you? The answer, of course, is everywhere. Purify the whole living room in minutes, so everyone can enjoy some relaxation, even your precious furry friends. And you'll never have to worry about keeping it out of reach with a fully bladeless design. And design bleeds into every aspect of Hackson. Seamless, refined, minimal. Fits on both sides of the bed just as easily. Comfort comes in versatility, and Hackson keeps you cooler than any traditional fan. and unlike the others, experience a completely separate climate from your partner. Head to toe, side to side, total control over your sleeping zone. Hackson's PTC ceramic heating plate keeps the room toasty without pumping in dry air. And when night approaches, the light will automatically adjust temperature to match, making it the perfect reading light. Or night light for the kids. Pop on the child lock to keep them safe and sleep mode to keep them resting peacefully. Because their sleep is the most critical of all. And back in the bedroom, finally, you and your other half are ready to sleep. Activate your own sleep mode to keep things quiet for the night, and let Hackson make tonight's dreams come true.
What does it mean to live without limits? Introducing the EcoFlow Delta Pro, the world's first portable home battery with an expandable ecosystem designed to store energy so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem, as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high wattage appliances. And in daily use, the ecosystem reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The EcoFlow app gives you full control over your home circuits and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high voltage devices, connect two Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, the new EcoFlow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further. Introducing FlowCharge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere at any time. The new EcoFlow Solar Tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation. At home, plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours, thanks to Xstream, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any leading Level 2 EV charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery, it's a way to power a new world.
Lamoncio is all about going beyond what we women are used to when it comes to functionality and versatility. Everyday bags for men seem to be smarter and more functional, while women's bags are lagging a decade behind. My bag needs to support my active lifestyle, my kick-ass attitude that has me pushing my limits from the early hours to well beyond sundown. We asked 1,000 of you what you considered essential, and then we designed the perfect 24-hour bag ourselves. We like to be organized, so we made pockets for everything. Well, almost. We made sure it has a large double zipper opening, as well as a single opening for quick access. A bag that looks the part is important, but being comfortable is crucial, so we designed a bag that does it all. Handbag, Check. Shoulder bag for the city? Check. Backpack for those longer commutes? You bet. We certainly like to travel, so an all-around bag had to help us travel further, easier, and keep us organized at the destination.
Oh, wait! Is that a pass-through for your luggage? I like that!
Introducing the modular design with the first of 3 add-on essentials. The double compression cube is practically a lifesaver, because we pack and then pack some more. So the compression cube turns this into this. It makes travel, well, easy, as the cube stays neatly in the hotel while you carry La Mancio anywhere from business meetings to days out exploring the city. But then we looked at the feedback and the same thing came up over and over again. Surprise! We carry a laptop, but the laptop bags on the market make us look like a 90s technician. Enough of that. La Mancio's second add-on is the detachable 13 to 15-inch laptop case that fits perfectly inside. And yes, girls, we made sure it has just enough pockets. Plus, you can attach the Mancio straps to free your hands. So it's the ideal light case for when you just want to go down to grab a coffee. Our survey shows that 37% of women also want to carry their cameras, but they don't often because their handbags don't offer any protection, or available camera bags look like school bags. That's why we designed the padded insertable camera cube add-on, so that you can now carry your gear looking chic, right? Normal. And you can also carry the camera cube as a light over-the-shoulder camera bag with the La Mancio straps. We know that 68% of women want a single bag that allows them to go between the office and the gym. That's why La Mancio also comes with a waterproof pocket, with exterior access for your gym shoes or wet clothes.
That's very useful.
We also added a hidden exterior zipped pocket to keep your stuff safe but accessible. Join us and let's make your bag together.
What if changing the world was as easy as pushing a button? Hey, I'm Matt from Pila, and I want to introduce you to my friend Lomi. At Pila, we're a team of engineers and material scientists, and for the last 3 years, we've been creating something truly special, a solution to the world's garbage problem. Now, before I show you how Lomi is going to change the world, let's talk about why you're going to want one in your home today. Maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. You know, those little plastic bins with leaky bags under your sink that are amazing at producing smelly, gross liquid sludge that nobody wants to touch. Raccoons, anybody? Or maybe you don't have a green bin system where you live, and instead, you throw all your food waste into the garbage, which then goes to a landfill, which produces methane, which causes climate change, all while still smelling pretty terrible. Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping habit, and even biodegradable plastics. Yep, Lomi even works on Pila's compostable phone cases, all at the push of a button. And as little as a few hours later, your waste has turned into the start of nutrient-rich compost, totally mess-free and odor-neutralized. You probably know us at Pila as the inventors of the world's first compostable phone case. Pila's customers have eliminated more than 41.8 million plastic bags worth of garbage in the last 5 years. To create Lomi, we've spent over 3 years completing more than 1,000 compost tests and endless hours of design and prototyping. Lomi isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best home composter. Period. Food waste creates 330 billion pounds of garbage in North America each year. Packaging and plastic represent even more garbage and add that number up even higher. Lomi makes food waste a thing of the past and helps you cut up to half of your carbon footprint, all while making odor-neutralized, mess-free compost that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, send it to the green bin, or put it in the garbage. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to take any action on, actually helping the planet. We can make trash a thing of the past. Back our project today, and you'll help us bring Lomi to life.
My dad tells me he's seen them all. Hummingbirds, gray catbirds, song sparrows. But pics, or it didn't happen. He's yet to secure any solid proof of his graceful visitors. As he spends his lonesome days waiting for the next opportunity to finally get that perfect photo, even he sometimes begins to doubt himself. Is it possible that the rare birds only chirp to him in his dreams? Surely, his neighbors think so. He doubles, no, triples, heck, he quadruples his efforts. Still, his photos are for the birds. Then, on his birthday, I get him the perfect gift. It's called Bird Buddy. It's a smart bird feeder that will notify him of the feathery friends in his backyard. It will capture their photos and organize them in a beautiful collection that is easy for him to view and share with others. See how pretty it is? And just look at my chirpy father. He's more excited than ever. Now he can rely on Bird Buddy to make the perfect shots he always seemed to miss. Are you a bird lover too? Or do you have one in your family? Get them Bird Buddy, because everybody could use a buddy. Help us bring Bird Buddy to life by supporting us on Indiegogo. Let's shape the future of bird feeding together.